Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can remove account warning on TikTok. So at first go to TikTok, go to your profile, and then go to these three dots here, then settings and privacy. After that you have to scroll a bit down until you see report a problem. From there click on account and profile. After that it says other, so click on that. Now click on no and then need more help. From there, please see the text that has been given and write a warning is coming to my account. I'm sorry for my mistake. At first I did not understand the rules. I hope such mistake will not happen again. Please review my account and help me. Username Harry's Adore You Fish, and just click on submit, and after 24 hours the account warning will automatically be removed. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.